the home page. Hello, today we're going to show you how to use the Vagus Genius software. This is a program that will help you select the correct tooling for threading applications, as well as help you with the writing of the programs for it. So we're going to start off by going to vargus.com. This will bring you to their home page, and with that we will choose the Vagus Genius. From here, we'll come in. It'll have a bunch of different options to choose. You can choose whether to use this as an app on your phone, which will work very similar to what we're going to show you here. You can also choose to download it as a desktop version, so it'll be on your computer if you don't have Wi-Fi at all times. Or today, what we're going to be doing is using the online version. So we're going to pull up the online version. And the first step you always want to make sure is that you check the menu down here in the bottom left, just to make sure you're set to inch or metric, whatever you need for your application. So we will choose inch. We will agree to the terms of use. And on this application today we're going to be looking at a thread mill. So we're going to choose thread milling, internal right hand. We're using an NPT thread. It's going to be, it was a 14 pitch. 1/2 14, so our length is predetermined for an NPT. So we will select that, and then here we'll choose our material. We're going to be going into a high alloyed steel, so we're going to choose P7. And here it'll generate all of the different tools which we can use. So we have all of these different style thread mills. For our purpose today, we're going to be using the HC, the helix. So if our machine didn't have through spindle coolant, so we're going to use the helical here, no through coolant. Select that. It's going to be with a pre-drilled hole. We're going to use climb milling, axial divide. We're going to try and do this in 2 passes, and do that. So select our grade, and so here once we've selected kind of all that, it's going to give us what our recommended cutting speeds are. So our min being 130, max 330, and the computer automatically puts us in the middle at 230. So here, let's say we wanted to change it, we wanted to go closer to that high end and go with 300 surface feet per minute. That's going to change our RPMs for us doing the math. And with that, we will keep the feed at the recommended, as well as the tool entry. And here we'll choose our controls. We're going to use Haas controls here today. We're going to go incremental. So here's where you can kind of choose how you use the coordinates, whether it's that tool peripheral or if it's the center. This one we're just going to go with the center of the tool. And we're just going to go 10 on the offset, as well as 10 on the radial offset. So here it's giving us our cutting time is going to be 1 minute and 27 seconds. It'll be done in 1 cycle. And here it gives us all of our information. So here's our tooling, our thread data, application requested, and calculations, as well as the nice part is it also will write your program here for everything. And if you wanted, you can choose to email this page of all the summary, or just save this CNC program or email the CNC. You just write who you wanted to send it to. So on this, I'll send it to myself, and that email will come in. So it's that easy, and again, this works very similar on the app on your phone, as well as you can download it as a desktop version. Thanks for watching, and good luck.